equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Start by gathering your tools, a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean cloth. First, power off your Asus TP470E and unplug it. Remove the back cover by unscrewing the screws. Keep them safe for reassembly. Use the spudger to gently pry open the cover. Once inside, take a moment to clean any dust or debris. This helps with airflow and performance. Next, locate the battery. Carefully disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard. Remove the screws securing the battery in place. Lift the old battery out and replace it with the new one. Ensure it fits snugly. Reconnect the battery cable, making sure it's secure. Before closing the laptop, do a quick visual check for any loose connections or debris. Now, replace the back cover and screw it back on. Power on your laptop to ensure everything works correctly. If you need assistance, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Enjoy pickup and delivery at your home, with no calls and no travel required. Get a quote before repair to know your costs upfront. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.